made legal losses. My lord, item number 20. It became infatuous. He has already been surrendered before the police.
20.
20. After Roma.
Yes. Item is stated so her big shots and so on has become infectious. It's submitted that she doesn't want to restrict petition as it has already been in the hospital. Okay, to be disposed of.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention a regular bail application the petitioners are behind. If possible, at the end of lordship's list today, or lordship, if time does not permit, then on the next opening day. As to why lordship, that I want to mention, my lord. My lord, the petitioners on 20th have been arrested illegally in as much as, my lord, the 35(3) notice, which is mandatory, has not supplied. And when that was brought to notice of the Honorable Production Court, my lord, there was absolutely no whisper that 35 is served or why not served. Lordship's orders are there, Supreme Court orders are also there. So arrest being illegal, I'm seeking this indulgence, my lord. If not today, then my lord, on the next opening day on Tuesday, my lord. Then Tuesday, my lord. Obliged.
May I please? Madam, item number 26, perhaps CD not received, kindly fix for the same, and I am in interim.
You are interim?
Fine. No more. No more. CD not.
CD not received. So you want. When it can be listed? 18, 19. Second.
Highly obliged.
May it please your lordship.
Continue.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13, lordship. Can we pass over this matter for the day, lordship? I have taken the concern, lordship, from the TP lordship. Pass over. Scan give receipt. Yes, lordship.
At the request made by London Council for Education. Matter is adjourned. Please take only when do you want then?
Anyway, lordship, next week, lordship. Next week, delay on.
Second man.
Lordship, I have another prayer, item number 27, lordship. I have not on interim, lordship. Case diary is there, lordship. This item only possible for the day, lordship. 27, lordship. No interim is there, lordship.
CD receipt.
CD is there, lordship. For the day only.
Request made by London Council for Education. Case is item, CD receipt. Treated the case diary, billing system. Please take according. Okay, ma'am.
No, written. Next day, any.
Don't have third of September.
Obviously.
May please not. Item number 23, may kindly be adjourned for that day. It is for you.
CD not there. Are you on
I
interim?
am on interim.
23.
33.
CD not receive. Issue reminder. It's according to the 19/9. Well, listing it on 19/9, your interim will be active.
19.
Interim.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 19, lordship. CD has not received, lordship.
19.
I'm on interim, lordship. Any date?
For the informant side also appeared it.
We have informed it.
Anyway, CD not received yet.
CD not.
You are on interim.
Interim, lordship.
CD not received. Issue remand. The request. So, we need the CD here, na? Otherwise also.
Well,
CD is required, I think.
required for the
It's recorded, but the other side is there, so we are not
Right.
going to this very long day. 10/9 can be given. 10th of September.
10th.
10/9. It can be extended till next.
Item 21 of them. It was called from not 21. Interim is there.
Updated CD was called.
The city was called from
It not received.
not this.
Updated CD is not received. Issue reminder.
Interim is there.
Is demand accordingly on 18/9. 18/9 can do. From
22nd.
Nah?
22nd.
22nd of September. Then
interim-
9 interim be extended. to-
May I please, Lord? I'm praying for listing of a AV, my lord, which was fixed on 20th of August. But unfortunately, before the Honorable Justice M.D. Kolidas, but the bench was not there, my lord. But on 26th, my lord, he was Receiving. my-
26, not many matters have been already. Twenty-six, okay.
26.
May-
Less.
I beg my item number 24, Lordship.
Item number
24. Prognostic answer, Mr. Anderson is unusual. Can we?
is not well.
Yes.
So what is the position did you receive?
For a long time, madam. And then occasion also city was retained, madam.
Either occasion?
City was retained, madam. in the either of-
Since then, are you on interim?
No, no.
Not on interim, but we retaining the case there, you know.
City was-
Next. Next.
Was 27, 28, 29, these are 28 at best, you will give 28. 28/9. At a request made by learned counsel. Matter is at CDP retained dependent of listing. List according on 2018.
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing a criminal appeal, rest case, Lordship.
Criminal,
A criminal appeal, Lordship.
very good man. Make a mention before court number 18. Sorry, court number 13.
13 minutes. All right.
All mentioned will be there.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25, Lordship. CD is not received, Lordship.
Yes,
25.
25, what is the position?
Interim is still on.
Maxi did not receive yet.
No, no, madam, city not.
Are you on interim? Date?
No, no, your Lordship.
Not on interim. She did not receive, should remain there. You are not on interim, that's why we are giving you on,
Lordship, kindly on 27 or 28, Lordship.
it won't reach also. It won't reach. It won't.
Pass it then 5th, Lordship.
Fifth of Oc-
5th of September. Obliged, Lordship.
Yes. Say 483 petition, my lord. But at first, my lord, it will be better to have a look at my lord, page 14, my lord. Page 14, my lord, the FIR, my lord. Kindly see the FIR, my lord. I would not like to read the FIR, my lord, please. Kindly see the FIR, my lord, first.
Your petitioner is in custody since when?
My lord, on 1st of August, my lord. 1/8/2025, my lord.
Really, it's all that.
My lord, in this case, my lord, kindly have a look at page 18, my lord. That is the, my lord, daughter of the petitioner, my lord. My lord, admittedly, my lord, as per FIR itself, my lord, they got married about 11 years back, my lord. My lord, now, my lord, after 11 years, my lord, recently, my lord, last 1 year, my lord, she has developed love affairs with one, my lord, Monu, my lord. Kindly, I have annexed some, my lord, WhatsApp SMS, my lord, as well as the extramarital, my lord, love letter, my lord. I have all the annex, my lord. Kindly have a look at page 20, my lord. 20 onwards, my lord. That's all, my lord. Up to page 20. Up to page 20. Up to page. Up to page 32, my lord. All these, my lords, were going on with other persons, my lord. And recently, my lord, she has decided to enter into marriage tie, my lord, with that person, my lord, with that person. And it reveals from the letter, my lord, written by the informant. Kindly have a look at page 34, my lord. 34, bottom part, my lord. 34. Etia,
Those are the grounds for filing divorce petition, but here, my lord, allegation is,
my lord,
how
in this regard, my lord, some altercation, my lord, I admitted, my lord, some altercation was there, my lord, but in the FIR, my lord, it is inserted, my lord, project that পদকীয়াৰ ৰূপী স্বামীৰ অত্যাচাৰ ইমান বেছি আছিল যে যোৱা 11/7/2025 ইংৰাজী তাৰিখে ৰাতি প্ৰায় 2 বজাত মোক হাতে ভৰি বান্ধি গলত গামোচা এখনেৰে বান্ধি সিলিং ফেনত ওলমাই পেজ 14 মেলত সিলিং ফেনত ওলমাই গোটেই ৰাতি পাৰ কৰে but my lord this FIR is my lord on 1/8/25 my lord and my lord LS incident took place on previous night my lord and she herself my lord went to the police station and lost this FIR my lord there was nothing my lord that's why my lord if something injurious, grievous, my lord, some attempt was made by the petitioner to kill her, my lord, then and some
So
stealing
can-
cannot
as per
ulumai
you-
gotei rati par kore, my lord.
As per you,
Yes, my lord.
actually, she had some relationship with.
Yes, my lord. Yes,
The question is that we have to at present, these are your submission.
yes, my lord.
All these are your submission and
Yes.
these are your case that she has some illicit relationship with other
Yes.
person. And that's why some falsely implicated this one. But if you go by the FIR, there are sufficient ingredients, how you married her, how you, this one committed the torture on her, assaulted, torturing her. This perusal of the case diary will be required. That's why.
After receiving case diary, my lord, if there were some incriminating materials, my lord, some grievous injury, grievous hurt, or something like that, my lord, my bail petition may be rejected, my lord. But whatever, my lord, as per FIR and other materials on record, I have placed before your lordships that my case is fit case, my lord, at this stage, my lord. Already, my lord, the statement recorded and petitioner was taken under
Just
3 days, my
want to
lord.
see peruse the
So already, my lord, 3 days, my lord, 3 days police custody, my lord, sufficiently, my lord, interrogated the petitioner, my lord. That's why. And my lord, lastly, my lord, she has, my lord, petitioner has one daughter, my lord, is 9 years, my lord, school going. My lord, at this stage, the petitioner, if the petitioner will not come out from the jail, my lord, my lord,
Okay, we are.
she may
listening it on,
derail, my lord, and
somehow 28 it চেষ্টা করবো।
yes, my lord, short date may
Right.
kindly be given, my lord.
That's why we are giving.
Very
it
short date, my
28.
lord. Yes, my
It's
lord.
a very.
Yes, ma'am.
That we don't have any
That's
short.
I'm praying only for very short date, my lord.
That's what I'm saying. 28 is the short date.
Yes,
why
yes,
we
my
don't
lord.
have any.
Oblige, my lord. Much oblige.
28.
Oblige, my lord.
But CD will.
Yes.
CD, where from it has to come?
Polasbari.
Doubt is there.
Yeah,
Better to take, I think, 1st of August, September.
1st of
Because
August.
28 it
Oh, no,
gives
1st of
3 days.
August, my
Because we are
September,
holiday.
September, my lord. My lord, my lord. Along with my lord, medical report, my lord, if any, my lord.
Medical,
Me-
117 cannot be such a medical report. 1172 is there. That means it may be prepared by plant or what.
Yes, yes.
Okay, call along with the medical report. We are calling
Oblige, me. Much oblige, lord. Oblige.
19.
Up to 483, my lord, petition behind the bar from 28/7/25. At this stage, my lord, I may pray for lordship case diary.
CDB call for list.
Upload.
Since when you are in custody?
28/7.
28/7.
Fine.
We don't have. Well, third. Somehow third. Third.
Deep level.
May please your lordship. Yes, sir, your lordship,
Required.
can you be on fifth? Is from Boko Lodge.
Borua, can it be on fifth? Is there any space? Demand.
So, sir, Paguna Bastar here.
Okay, 5 9.
Lodge, much of.
The next one is also yours, I think.
Lordship, next one is, that is from same PS, same person, lordship, can it be on fifth, if possible?
For the same person.
Same person. So, in main case, they have arrested, the second one is soon arrested. Same day arrested.
5 9.
Huh? Pardon? For 4-2. Much
Five.
obliged, your lordship, much obliged.
Charge-sheeted case, Lordship.
Is it charged?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
What is the stage of the case? Charge has already been framed or not?
Lordship.
Do you have any instruction charge regarding the framing of charge?
No, Lord.
A scan copy of this here because registry will to the need. Registry matter according to 10 9. 10 9 registry.
Deeply Lordship.
So this is regular bill application, lordship. FI is page 11, your lordship. And this incident is about because LS2 have been occurred on 15/7/2025. This FI was lodged on 26/7/2025 by the person, your lordship. From the contents of the FI, it is seen that the allegation in respect of the driver of the vehicle and the person who is petitioner is behind the bar. He is neither the driver of the vehicle nor the some amount that was recovered from the seaman from the go down of a petrol pump. The present petitioner is neither the owner of the petrol pump or the owner. Just he is the present petitioner is the shopkeeper of under procedural police station, your lordship, and he was being the hardware running the hardware shop, your lordship. The police has randomly pick up on this suspicion, your lordship, arrested in this case, your lordship.
So what kind of shop he has? He
Lordship,
has
hardware, sir.
hard. So where is the forwarding?
Lordship.
Have you annexed the forwarding?
Lordship,
Forwarding report?
Lordship, I have annex, Lordship. Page 17, your lordship.
Yes.
Page 17, ground of arrest, may kindly see the ground of arrest number 2. Recovered 63 bag of stolen cement and 19 numbers of empty cement bag from the godown of HP petrol pump, Hialara, Katigara.
On being shown by the.
But later on being shown.
On being shown, that is the because I have been implicated. The godown belongs to the petrol pump. I have no connection with the petrol pump. It is the owner might have been or owner of the godown might have.
So who, what bound you to show this?
No,
cement
lordship,
bag?
because lordship, the police on suspicion, police arrested.
No,
and
suspicion is okay.
Lordship.
But here it is not the
That
suspicion.
is the return of the IO, but
suspicion.
this is not the.
Because you led the police to that.
No, that is the statement made by the police, your lordship.
Now at present too, we don't have anything.
Lordship.
At present, that's why I thought that let us see the grounds of arrest. And what about the recovery? You want to say anything?
Only 63 bags, that is from the godown, your lordship.
since when you were in custody?
From 26/7,
26?
26/7.
7.
Lordship, in the forwarding itself in the top, the date is wrongly mentioned 26th of June, 2025. Whether the FIR itself lost on 26/7, your Lordship.
No, you were in custody since 26/7.
7. FIR is also,
In your, uh, not exactly the cost title, in your petition also you're written as 26/6.
no, 26/7 I have written. Cost title, date of arrest on 26/7,
Yeah,
2025.
later part, most respect. Yeah. You see,
Lordship, it is my typing mistake. It should have been, because the forwarding, it is written in the top 26th of June. Can you see the?
it's the mistake.
But the FIR lost on 26/7 and arrested on 26/7.
Then we have called for the case diary. We're trying to give you a short date, but problem is that we don't have as such. Anyhow, 3rd of September, yeah. 3rd. City. Oh, 3rd of September.
The accused petitioner is behind the bar from the last 1 month, madam. FIR is page number 17, madam. I am not an FIR name accused, madam. No allegation is against me, madam. Section is registered under 61(2)103(85) of PNS, madam. The victim was committed suicide, madam. Section was registered under section murder, madam. And at a
Committed suicide, but registered under 103.
102. No FIR, no allegation is no whisper against me in the FIR, my lord. FIR is totally against his husband, who was already arrested, my lord. His father-in-law, mother-in-law, and one another.
Who are you? Who are you?
I am the brother-in-law of the accused number, FIR name accused number 1.
Brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law. From 17 July, I am cooperating with the interrogation with police, my lord. I was arrested on 21, my lord. I have 2 children, my lord, around 4 years. They are now staying at others' home, my lord.
Where from you're saying that she committed suicide? It's not here.
No, my lord.
I mean, FIR, it doesn't say so.
Yes, my lord, but I'm in the sub.
Yes, not say so. That's what.
They had loss only on based on suspicion. They have
Obviously on suspicion.
But in the in our application, my lord.
Oh, in your application. So you were in custody since last 1 month?
Last 1 month.
Now, see, case is registered under 103, and
Yes.
obviously you are saying that he is the brother-in-law of the accused number 1. And after interrogation for 3-4 days, I think then only you got arrested. So I don't know, there may be some. Otherwise, you only being a family member.
Yes.
So your sufficient interrogation would have been sufficient, but after interrogation for 2-3 days, then you got arrested. There may be something, I don't know.
Police are searching the other accused. They are absconding.
Case 23.
Because of the police unable to arrest them. So
Case-
they
Arrested.
arrest.
Page 23.
Page 23.
Grounds of arrest.
Yes. Acha. Your Manohar Mulla, na? As per the grounds of arrest, you may be one of the main accused. who actually instigated or harassed the victim as per the grounds of it.
Yes, madam.
Okay, when you can be called for CD. Pardon?
10th of September can.
You were in custody since 1 month.
1 month. Little bit earlier.
7, 8, 5, 6,
8.
8. 8 of
Obliged, madam.
May I please your lordship? My senior is out of station. He went to Calcutta for medical emergency. That's why I want adjournment for 27.
Then adjournment. I request made by the council at hearing ZBA and this constituted judge of it. And raise adjourned. After 1. Will be listed after 1.
27
After 1 week.
after 1 week. Okay. Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, matter may be passed over for time. Obliged.
May I please your lordship? Mr. A.K. Gupta is on legs. Kindly pass over for time being. Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, I pray some limited protection, my lord. As because, my lord, FIR lost in Delhi, my lord. Here, my name is not inserted, but it is police of Delhi came to my residence and hand over a notice. After going through the notice, I observed that there is a case, and subsequently I find out that FIR Pro, their website, and it is found that my name is not there, but I am ready to appear before that authority, my lord. FIR at page 29, my lord. It is, my lord, registered as cyber police station case. And on the basis of that information, I searched in my bank account. I am a trustee and I am the president and some other trustees are also there. My trust deed is annexed to my lord. Page 12.
So your bank account is there.
My bank account is there. In the
So
FIR, my
only on the
account is
bank
not.
account
in
only
the-
your thing is
My lord, in the FIR, my account is not there. But after searching, it is seen that so many accounts are inserted in the FIR, and one of that accounts from which through that account some amount transferred to my account. But till today, I have not any information from the bank or online messages. And subsequently, I visited the bank. Then I seen that some other transaction also committed. So in that situation, my lord, I am ready to go just way to that transitory bail for a limited period. Honorable Supreme Court in many cases allowed such kind of bail, my lord, for appearing and visiting from one state to another. May I rely recent judgment, my lord? Oh, wait. Here, my lord, in some cases allowed 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 2 weeks like this, my lord, for visiting.
what is this? This one deed of Amin. What is this?
My lord.
Deed of all Amin.
No, my lord. It is
It is, my lord, there are 45, my lord.
Why you have annexed this one?
My lord.
Why you have annexed this deed? You have annexed one deed.
Yes, my lord.
Why? Why?
That is, my lord, I am a trustee. And account in connection of that trust.
Huh?
In which account amount was transferred, that account run in the name of trust, where I am the president of the trust, and on that relation,
Oh, that is the
serves
why.
me.
You are a
Yes,
money, na?
yes.
That is how you are committing the crime. In the name of the trust.
No, my lord.
Yes.
I have stated all the facts, my lord.
You may state.
My lord.
What is now? You may state. Everything you can state. So that account is in the name of this trust.
Yes,
And
my
you
lord.
are running the trust.
Yes, my lord. Just opening a trust, and subsequently in that account some misuse by third party, fourth party, my lord. Then also I am ready to go, my lord.
Well, it seems that only for committing that cyber offense, this type of accounts, whether again, whether by mistaking those, but continuously going on like.
It's continuously good. The cyber crime is now.
No need to provide any protection, let them go and.
A limited period, my lord. Just I am going, my lord, and I appear before the authority, my lord. In a way, may I be arrested? That is why, my lord, some apprehension is there, my lord. I am going.
Have to go. So where is the notice you annexed?
Only for.
Notice.
My lord.
Your notice. So
Notice
Delhi
that, my
police
lord,
came to your place
page
and they
27.
handed- huh?
Page 27, my lord.
So Delhi police came to your house.
My lord.
In search of you.
My lord.
How you manage your Delhi police?
No, my lord. They give a date. You appear.
Which date? Which date?
That is, my lord, 16/8/25. That date is already
Gone.
over. And subsequently, over telephone, we pray some time, more some time. As because my mother is hospitalized. In North Guwahati, my lord. I pray only three weeks time, my lord.
If you see these people, yesterday also we have seen these people, it seems that they are very layman type. They are so expert in doing all this. You see, in the name of trust also he is extracting money and all. All are being money is being transferred to his account. With the trust which is run by him only. These sort of things are.
There are 5 trustees.
Hmm?
5 members in the trust.
You are the main.
And
Mr. K.O. Ahmed, then also for the petition. So, but Mr. P. What would you done in every state respondent? It is submitted by Mr. Mr. Ahmed. The representative petitioner is innocent. He has not committed any such offense as alleged in the complaint. He submitted, he further submitted that police from the which police station case is registered?
my lord, it is, my lord,
Cyber.
PS Krishna. It is, my lord, Cyber Police Station Southeast.
Police from the cyber police station Southeast Delhi came to his place and handed over one notice issued to him, wherein he was directed to appear at the police station on 16/8. However, for telephone, he communicated with the investigating officer and paid some more time for his appearance as his mother was ill at that time. He further submitted that he is innocent and he has not aware as to how some amount is transferred in the account of the trust, account of the trust wherein he is the president. However, he is ready and willing to appear before the concerned police station and Delhi if he is granted with some interim protection in the form of transit and assistance. Next one, Mr. Waterford, you will submitted that this is a case of the cyber threat and the petitioner, it seems that the petitioner was well aware about the said offense and hence no such protection may be provided to the present petition. Who be the
3 weeks, my lord. My mother is hospital, my lord. My lord, my lord,
They will look after.
my lord. Obliged. Obliged.
May I please, Lord? In previous bail application, my lord will find FIR is page 10, my lord. The petitioners
Page
are
8,
page 10, my lord.
10.
10. Petitioners are not the name FIR, my lord. May I read, my lord? With due respect, it is informed you that on 2/8/2025 at about 1 p.m. some unknown person had stolen the sewing machine from SP Institute of Insurance, Sonapur branch, situated at village Fahara under Sonapur PS. When no one was present in the branch office, then the stolen sewing machines of this branch were kept 100 meters away from the branch office. Our villagers had been able to catch red-handed to the above name accused number 1. Accused number 1 had already been arrested, my lord. While he was loading the stolen sewing machine in his e-rickshaw, bearing number so and so beside the Hawara Kolanga road. Upon questioning by the villagers to the accused person as who are the person involved in this theft incident, then the accused person informed the villagers that the accused person Sri Bubul Rafa of this village called him from mobile phone number so and so. It is pertinent to mention that the villagers suspected that they are involved in different theft incident happened in the village. My lord, in this incident, 3 persons has already been arrested, my lord. The petitioners has not named in the FIR, my lord, and he has been called by the police, my lord, on 9/8/2025 to appear before the police station, my lord. That's why he's apprehending, my lord. Sewing machine has already been recovered, my lord. They have
Yeah, do you have earlier criminal track record?
no, my lord. No,
Then why police is calling you?
police is call.
Unless you have some criminal record, the police won't call you.
No, my lord. There is no criminal, but police is asking to appear, my lord. That's why this is
Since your lordship has already fixed it on, my lord, 10/9/25.
The other matter.
Yes. Yesterday was one item.
They are arrested persons.
Have
Arrested person. My lord, I am protected, my lord. I will appear before the IO, my lord.
Yes, what or anything. Basically, your name is not there, but the question is that you are the most probably one of the.
My lord, if I am involved, my lord, then interim may be vacated, my lord.
What is at that point of time, one person was caught red-handed and thereafter, my lord, on the basis of his statement. Now, my lord, whether all those same things.
And 2 other person has also been arrested, my lord. I have stated, my lord, in page 5, para 5, my lord. The 3 person has already been arrested, my lord, in this case, my lord.
You are Mr. H. Hawari.
A Hawari, my lord.
Mr. A. Hawari, the Daniel deputation. Mr. The Daniel recently appearing on. This is an application, section so and so, which will be expensive. Considering the submission, considering the fact of recovery of doing machine. And if it is true, no, sorry. Then I'll also. That it is submitted by Mr. Hapari that the negotiations are not. They are no longer connected in the arrest office. However, present petition has been filed as they are apprehending arrest in connection with this case, as they have already received notice from the police station asking them to appear on 9/8. However, the petitioners are ready and willing to appear if they are granted with some interim petition. Mr. Further is submitted by Mr. Papai that the main accused persons have already been arrested in connection with this case, and all the swing machines are also recovered from the person of some of the accused persons. During this submission, others will be 10-9. Okay, you'll be under interim protection 10-9.
Problem.
Well, your lordships, last occasions, they are called for the reports of the status report of the FIR.
Yes. No cases pending. Very poor.
So, my lord, this is a
This report is a bit different report. No case number mentioned, no case diary could be sent. That is the report only.
We have asked for a report, but my lord, because there is
Not
no,
the report.
no
They
case.
say that they could not send the case diary because no
No,
case
no,
number.
because there is no case pending. on this, so that-
Heard
There
Mr.
also-
S. Mitra, the London Council for the petition.
But my lord, I have annexed all those documents, my lord, where the people, police has constantly gone telephoning my client, the accused person, to appear before the police
That's why we
station.
are searching for if any cases.
Yes,
Till now, we don't have any.
but till now, but there is a, but as per section, the BNS Act, he can go for preliminary inquiry also, police can go for preliminary inquiry also. And if your lordship that even if there is no case, but why there he is always harassing my client that or every
Still now
time.
harassing.
Yes, still.
That will be recorded now.
That one. One of the judgment is also there with Mr. Gurbatjan Singh.
Also heard Mr. P. Potter.
Hmm?
The London additional BP appearing on state response. It is submitted by Mr. Potter that the no report is received from the concerned police station. However, one W2 message is received wherein stated that the CD would not be sent as no case number is mentioned. In view of this, the London additional BP hereby asked to take necessary steps to call for a report as to whether any case has been registered against the present petition. Further, it is submitted by Mr. Mitra that the petitioners are being harassing by the police till date over telephone, and hence some interim protection may be provided. Next, but considering this submission made by London Council for the petitioner, the petitioner, it is directed that no corrosive action shall be taken against the present petitioner till receipt of the report. Leaves the matter accordingly on 5/9. Some interim protection we have given, no corrosive action.
Yes,
has been-
that's it.
Yes.
This is a case regarding blockage of a canal, my lord. Both the parties filed cases and both the parties suffered injuries, my lord. And so far, one petitioner was accused of arrested, my lord. And he was released where it is stated that, my lord, the blunt weapon and simple injury, my lord. Just
Otherwise, your case is registered under which section?
Idea 326, madam.
118.
Yes, but 320,
One is also there.
madam?
Why 61?
Yes, 61 conspiracy. 61 is conspiracy. Madam, both the parties, your lordship kindly see FIR, madam, both the parties. And there is officer, madam, we filed a representation to clear the blockade. Officer came, circle officer came, along with police also came. And at their instruction, villagers started to, madam, clear that blockage, madam. That my informant party started, madam, attacking the villagers also, madam, in front of the circle officers, madam. Thereafter, my lord, both the parties ultimately villagers, my lord, it is in the interest of villagers, it is not the personal one, my lord. Whole canal in the road, my lord, that was blocked. Initially it was cleared, then again he has, my lord, he has blocked it. So therefore, ultimately, my lord, and we have stated, my lord,
You
not,
lost the FIR against whom?
my lord,
You lost the FIR against whom?
against this informant and others. Our FIR is, my lord, page 23, your lordship will find. Our FIR.
DC letter of the page 20 पहिला
Huh?
DC letter of
First, your lordship is page 20.
29 6 or 24.
Circle officer letter, my lord.
Additional deputy commissioner.
Additional deputy commissioner asked the circle officer in charge to go to the place, my lord. According they have gone. That is, my lord, on 29 June 24. Thereafter, my lord, your loss will find. Then page 23 is the, my lord, cross FIR, my lord. Page 23. To tell my lord, 23 persons are named there.
But 3%.
My occurrence admitted. I am not distributing what I nice. The group clash between the two parties, villagers.
In presence of police. In presence of police. Circular police. But police have median.
Date of birth 27/7.
It can get there are 6 injured persons. When injury of 1, 2, and 3 is clear, but where the injury report, madam, says that injury for that is simple in nature, but whether the name of the persons who are in fact, name of the persons who are injured, madam, that is not reflected from the order.
But injury report is there, man.
Injury report there, but there are 6 persons. 6 injured.
Medical certificate and excuse.
The
Also,
condition of injured number 1, 2, and 3 is serious.
31. Regional medical certificate and historic admitted.
we have also, my lord, suffered and we have closed phase 31. Admitted, my lord, 27 and discharged on 4/8, my lord. Petitioner's party, my lord. And petitioner number 1 is 78 years old, my lord. All the, my lord, these family members, relatives, villagers, my lord, this is. And your loss kindly say that is discharged. They are simple injury, my lord, here grievous injury, the petitioner side. So my prayer is, my lord, I think it, as your lordship has seen, I have certified copy of the order I have given, my lord. Ultimately, my lord, occurrence I am not denying, my lord, admitted, my lord, occurrence took place. Just I leave to your lordship, my lord. 78 years, my lord, 54, 53, these are the ages, my lord.
Administrator Chaudhary, the learned senior advocate, assisted by
FU Barbuya.
FU.
FU Borbuya.
FU Borbuya, the learned counsel for the petition. And also heard Mr. P. Porter, the learned additional people appearing on shit only. This is an application, civil insurance in connection with specs. Next, is submitted by Mr. Chaudhary, the learned counsel, senior counsel for the petition. That present these petitioners are innocent and they have not committed to any such offense as alleged in here. However, it is the fact that there was a quarrel and tussle between two groups in front of the police and several officers, only for blocking the construction of a trail. Post- the petitioner side had also lodged an FIR. And some of the persons from the petitioner side also sustained previous injury on their person. However, on their person, and they had to took treatment for a considerable period. However, all the petitioners are ready and willing to extend their cooperation in the further investigation of this case if they are granted with privilege of real estate. Next, Mr. Waterford, Ilan PP submitted in this regard that as per the FIR itself, the petition, the injury, the victim 1, 2, and 3 sustained previous injury, and hence he submitted that failure of the case that it will be required. No, the fact of this. Next, but considering the submission made by learned counsel for both sides, other aspects of the case, I find that some interim protection may be provided by the petition. Okay, will be under interim protection.
Obliged.
When it can be listed, what occurred?
Both CD.
My lord, only
For both CD may be called, both the
18-9, ma'am.
89.
Both the
CD.
both 238 and 237.
We are calling.
two
case that.
38 and 237.
Which police station? This one? Police
Right.
station?
Hojai police station, 237 and 238.
237
2 FIR.
and 238.
Yeah, 81.
Both the CDB call.
Obliged.
May I please?
Yes.
My lord, this is a 482 application, my lord, FIR is at page 26. Lordship has,
Case, my lord. Margaret, that my lord, dumper was cut in pieces and thereafter. Regarding Arun Sahu, my lord, there are materials in that case.
my lord, here the
So earlier occasion, you were for one scrap shop owner.
scraps of honor, my lord.
Now this time you are appealing for?
My lord, he is having a, my lord, scrapping facility. My lord, the allegation against him in the FIR is that the vehicle was cut in his, my lord, scrapping facility, my lord. My lord, the persons have stolen the vehicle, all the persons are named, and they have bring the vehicle in his scrapping facility, my lord. This is a facility where the vehicles are scrapped, my lord. I have annexed, my lord, his trade license, and my lord, the report and all this, my lord, he has authorized.
So
for-
while cutting such a big vehicle, dumper, you didn't ask anything?
No, my lord, my case is that, my lord, this petitioner has not cut the vehicle, my lord. They have brought the vehicle, but he has not cut the vehicle because they have to comply with all the procedures, my lord. Because they have to check all the registrations, who is the owner, why they are cutting everything here. I have annexed, my lord, one audit report that is at page 13. And my lord, here the next, from my lord, page 15, 16, from page 16, my lord, he has to comply with everything, my lord. So there must be compliance, and my lord, there is a denial that he has cut the vehicle, my lord. That is the allegation, my lord.
He is the main person, my lord, in whose step owner, my lord, that big size dumper was cut
In his
into
shop.
pieces, and my lord, in his shop, he was, main allegation is against Arun Sahu.
No, in his scrap.
Yes, my lord, in his step.
That is the allegation, my lord.
So now you're saying that you didn't cut.
Yes, my lord. My case is that he in his
But in your name is?
Arun Sahu, my lord.
Yes, in your own name only. It was cut.
Yes, my lord, that is the allegation, my lord. But my case is that, my lord, he has not cut the vehicle, and my lord, in fact, at that relevant time, he was under treatment, my lord. I have annexed his medical documents, and my lord, the tickets, my lord. He was not at my lord in his business place that is in the Tinsukia district. He was at that time. He was in Chennai, my lord.
CD probably available, my lord, in this case. I will put it in your lordship, may fix it.
Yes, when it is available.
Yes, maybe available.
Tuesday can be fixed.
Huh?
It can be Tuesday or?
Not today, my lord, not possible.
No, Tuesday you're saying.
Tuesday, my lord.
Tuesday or any other day.
Maybe Wednesday. 27th, Wednesday.
Wednesday, my lord.
CDP call for list on 27th.
Obliged.
Wait, please, your lordship.
You have received
Lord
the
will
case that
kindly
Case diary receipt?
Yes, yes.
Is there a receipt, madam? That is a lotus seal, madam, that's 70 years old.
Oh, yes. Yes. Okay.
My lord, the informant is the petitioner and the victim is his own sister. If your lordship would kindly come to the FIR, my lord. Page 13. With due respect, I want to state before you that my sister Srimati Vandana Das is a resident of Louis Park, Harguli, Guwahati 4. In the morning at about 4:51 a.m., the caretaker of my sister, namely Kunjamani Das, wife of Ratul Das, called me over phone and told that my sister was killed by someone in the night time. Immediately after the call, I, along with my brother Purush Jyoti Das, went to the house of my sister and informed the Lotus Hill police. Then Lotus Hill police arrived and after preliminary investigation had sent the body of my sister to the Guwahati Medical College for post-mortem examination. Thereafter, Lotus Hill police took caretaker Ratul Das and his wife Srimati Kunjamani Das for interrogation. In my presence, Kunjamani Das confessed to the police that she had killed my sister by stabbing her with knife, stating that reason was my sister's alleged mental torture of her daughter through the use of abusive language. Subsequently, they attempted to conceal the incident by fabricating a narrative that someone else had committed the murder. In fact, my lord, it was she herself called said, my lord. My lord, I'm a retired bank employee. I'm a clean man, my lord. When I was informed, I lost the affair, my lord. I have got information, my lord. The OC himself is involved in this case, my lord. The OC himself. In fact, my lord, many things are there. Actually, now, my lord, everybody's interest in the plot of land. Now, nobody else is there. My lord, I informed the police. Now, what is the basis? That the gentleman, this Ratul has told the police that I have killed her through somebody else. My lord, in fact, we have reasons to believe that Ratul Das, the main accused, asked from the petitioner 1 lakh of rupees to defend his case, and upon such payment, Ratul Das would inform P as to who asked him to implicate the petitioner. Things are going to that extent. My lord, in jail, I have met them also. Many things have transpired. My lord, I have strong reasons to suspect the OC himself is involved in this case. And my FIR was changed 2 times, my lord. Twice my FIR was changed.
FIR was.
Yes. Sorry, yes. And I think if they produce the case, then it will be evident, my lord.
One.
Kindly see, my lord. ভক্ষক বুলি যে কয় আজিকালি এইটোৱে হৈছে। Now some in left hand side, lordship will see police has entered, and somewhere in between কি শব্দটো আছিল এইটো চাম এইখিনি মোৰ সন্মুখতে that word was added. থাকো ক'ত মই কিছুমান ক'ত থাকে কে জাগা ইমান ওচৰা ওচৰি
just 10 minutes by car.
I also stay in Kharghuli, but it is at a distance of about 10 minutes by car. When I was reported, I went there. So my humble submission is Lordships will consider my age, my lord. And I'm 65 plus. I'm a retired bank manager of State Bank of India. There's absolutely nothing against me all throughout my career. She's my own sister. Admittedly, this Ratul and Kunjamani and her daughter were the caretaker. And the lady herself told the police in front of the petitioner that the victim used to abuse her daughter. That's why they have killed.
Then taking everything into mind, Lordship will kindly consider the case. And most importantly, my Lord will also consider one aspect of the matter. This, kindly read the statement of my Lord Kunjamani. I think that will bear, enough material, my Lord. Statement of Kunjamani, the wife of Ratul Das, the wife of the caretaker. Admittedly, she admitted before the police, and the statement directly implicates Ratul Das. However, all these materials were ignored, my Lord, and they're trying to implicate me. And already by now, I am, my Lord, more than 45 days, na?
Yes,
More than 45 days behind the bar, my Lord. End of the day, my Lord, I'll have to face the trial, it appears. They will definitely file the charge sheet. I'll face it, my Lord, but whether my further custodial interrogation is necessary. And my Lord, the police must have taken statement of my Lord relatives, whether anybody has implicated me. That would also be relevant. To the best of my understanding, nobody has, my Lord. There's no occasion, my Lord. Own brother, own sister. Therefore, Lordships will peruse the CD and, my Lord, pass the appropriate order, my Lord. Yes, my Lord, I would like to point out regarding filing of 2 FIRs, my Lord, regarding that, my Lord, I have no record. Not 2 FIR, adding of words. FIR essay. Yes, my Lord, regarding how the name of the present petitioner, who is an informant, his name came into the picture, my Lord, after recording of the confessional statement of the accused. And this is the confessional statement of the accused, and the extrajudicial statement is also there, and the persons who at the time of my Lord recording extrajudicial statement were there, their statement is also available. And here, my Lord, there is a detailed note, a detailed, my Lord, record of the investigation. What are the materials, my Lord, found by the police during investigation, which also supports, my Lord, your Lordship may also regarding that, along with that note, whether that note, my Lord, supports the contents of the case that your Lordship may kindly produce. I have trademarked the statement of Kunjo Das also, my Lord. And thereafter, police, their statement of the related witnesses is also there. My Lord, there are evidences that police has found that, my Lord, there is some regarding property dispute is there, my Lord. Earlier, my Lord, regarding that aspect of against the allegation against the present petitioner, that there are some circumstantial evidence that, my Lord, the present petitioner is trying to usurp the property of the my Lord, deceased. Regarding that aspect also, statement of the some of the witnesses of the relative, your Lordship may kindly pay. And my Lord, one already, my Lord, property that is there in Purua, my Lord, already, my Lord, sold to someone, my Lord, victims lent to one land dealer, Botondas, for an amount of rupees 10 lakhs. And thereafter, my Lord, without informing it, in 2024, the accused accepted rupees 10 lakhs in advance from land dealer Botondas for the proposed sale of the remaining land in the victim's name without informing his and co-legal. Your Lordship may, I'll point, my Lord, flag marks the vital.
So as per you, there are allegation, materials.
Yes, yes. Regarding your Lordship may kindly produce confessional statement and statement of the witnesses. Where there is a witness for the time of recording, my Lord, extrajudicial statement. And my Lord, regarding one that my Lord, bank passbook of the deceased, that mobile number was linked at the present petitioner. Regarding that aspect also, one note of the
Mobile number, what you have submitted?
that in the passbook of the deceased, my Lord, the present petitioner has inserted his own mobile number. Thereafter, my Lord, he is continuously using the my Lord, bank account of the deceased. Regarding that also, one bank manager's, my Lord, letter is also there, my Lord. That in the deceased passbook, the mobile number of the present petitioner. So your Lordship may kindly peruse the case and the statement of Kunjo Das is also there. That is wife of the main accused, is already her bail petition, your lordship has already rejected.
Side.
There is like much, but I will only point out
Yes.
those my lord.
Agreed.
Right here, regarding the.
Milord, I may just, I knew, Milord, this aspect will come regarding the, Milord, property in Purua, Milord. The victim, Milord, who is the sister of the petitioner, her husband expired, Milord. And even her brother-in-law is also expired, only brother-in-law's wife is there.
No other, yes.
And there is no other heirs, Milord. And it was the petitioner who facilitated the sale agreement and money is in her account. So there is no scope of any, Milord, misappropriation. After her death, Milord, where is the possibility of any manipulation? That 9 lakh rupees was given to her, Milord, sister-in-law.
No.
Now, who can execute the sale deed, Milord? In fact, Milord, police knows who is interested in the land, but police is not. There is a gentleman called Nobin Bora, who is a neighbor, who is trying to grab the property. That police, the OC will not interrogate for reasons best known to the OC.
Nowhere is going to be benefited.
You know, very surprising, Milord. How things are happening. Anyway, Milord, Lordship, this is not a trial. Prima facie, Lordship will record satisfaction regarding Milord prima facie case. And secondly, Milord, whether at this stage further custodial interrogation is required. Prima facie, Milord, I don't think there are any requirement because an investigation is almost complete. And considering my age and considering my health issues, Milord, Lordship will kindly consider that is my suggestion. In any case, we all know, my lord, having some little knowledge, whether based on these materials, any convictions can be there. Certainly there cannot be. But question is, why should I be put to, my lord, jeopardy at the pre-trial stage?
Well, first part, I am just pointing out the detailed note regarding the materials against the presidency. And thereafter, black mark, last portion, yellow, my lord, black mark regarding those statement of the my lord Kunjo Das and regarding the letter of the FBI bank manager and the statement of the relative.
All family relatives are
You want to say statement of the bank managers are also here?
No, statement of the not, a letter was sought for by the IO regarding the my lord bank account of the deceased of the petitioner, my lord. And thereafter,
From manager one.
all the bank account statement is also there.
Yes, he's handling it.
I pay a because of the those
Circumstantial evidence.
Circumstantial.
because case is at the stage of investigation. You can get
And my lord, after the initial, after the remand, judicial remand, my lord, I have not been interrogated by anybody. My lord.
No. All family relatives have.
And the lordship will go through this CD, my lord. It's not a mini trial. All that lordship will have to satisfy this whether there is any requirement of any further custodial interrogation having regard to the facts of the case. And certainly lordship will consider my age.
Health.
And health. Deep down.
Lots of background. Point out only on the actually. Lots of.
I'll see to it with what are the, because lots of black marks are there.
Yellow, last portion, yellow black mark.
Yes.
I not see the entire family. See this brother and sister. So entire family, brother, sister of the victim as well as me, and relatives. Everybody is known to this me that I cannot do such. Yes, come like that. That is it. Everybody with me. That is it.
Sure.
All is
May I please, your lordship? On the last occasion, my lordship was pleased to call for the my lord scan copy. And I was informed that scan copy is not available.
Justice. Yes, scan copy.
Is not
was
available, my lord,
called for, na?
as per office note, my lord. But lordship, my
Why-
lord,
why-
just I wanted to, my lord, place, this is, I pray for on law point, my lord. And the materials on the record will consider by your lordship. I raised two law points, my lord. One is that the default bail. Admittedly,
Actually, I can still remember your submission.
Yes.
Because of default bail. That is the main reason we want to see the case record. Because we don't know when it was put up, when this is a make
That-
made any
that-
endorsement. These are has to be
that
seen.
I'll show from the certified
No,
copy.
no, we have to peruse the case record. That's why we are. I
And
can
already,
still remember your
he's
submission.
behind bar from 135 days, my lord. And my lord, default bail, he's entitled in 90 days, my lord. Or 91 days.
Obviously, what was the
So,
default bail?
much time has
when
been
it
taken.
was case diary was
And I was informed that, my lord,
it was received, endorsement was there or not.
yes.
These are.
My lord,
these are the things
I
to
was
be
informed, by the court below, my lord,
Hmm.
from a lawyer from the court below that the scan copy has already been forwarded, my lord.
I don't know how long.
Perhaps this was not, my lord,
It had
before
to come from where?
Karimganj, my lord, Srimoni.
Karimganj.
Yes.
As
Already
per-
is
as per
forwarded,
the
my
note,
lord.
So it has not been received now. Till now.
Perhaps the matter was listed before, my lord, forwarding, my lord. That is why registry will verify and they will.
Maybe.
Yes, ma'am. Short date, my
As
lord.
per your information,
Yes,
CPS.
yes.
Yes, Purva, when it can be facing some problem with the dates, let us see. Good.
Everything was on record, my lord.
5th September
still-
will do, 5th September.
Yes, my lord. But
Fifth
before the
September.
matter, but last part of August, my lord, if
Just
possible.
as,
Lordship, kindly see.
we don't have as such.
He is, my lord.
1 line man party, 1 line. Even. Yeah. For the- the 1 line.
Yes, because Supreme Court has said, my lord.
Copy of the case record, can copy of the PCR is not yet received as per office note. Dated 20/08/2025. And
Record of us.
reminder.
It's 90 days. He's entitled, but application file one will be.
Sixteen, yes, one office note is there, yes, but it is. You have not filed your objection till date?
No, we have not filed our objection, but
What is the position? Is the, this, evidences recorded or till?
I think, yesterday, the charges was framed yesterday.
Charges?
Yeah, I have checked in e-court lodging. The lodging trial court record may be called to lodge.
No, we are calling, but we have not received it. You are Mr.
TT Moni on behalf of M. Khan.
A.M. Khan. What's the number?
M. Khan.
He was so appearing on behalf of Mr. A.M. Khan. Also card MS. Deca, he learned it. M. Deca, he learned it council appearing on behalf of Standing Counsel, Mr. S. Pai. As per official note dated 20/08/2025, scanned copy of the PCR has not been received. And the objection is also not filed by the respondent. Issue reminder, raise you will be needed. In the meantime, the respondent NCB will also file the written objection. If any. List the matter accordingly on 10/9. 10/9.
Okay, 17, 18 and 28. 28, no?
17, 18, CD receipt.
28. Same.
17, 18, 28.
Mine.
17, your lordship, is regular bail, your lordship.
Both
Yeah.
17, oh, so 17 is regular bail, 18 and 28 are anticipatory.
Anticipatory, your lordship. 17, your lordship, already 34 days behind bar, your lordship.
17.
Out of all the accused persons, your lordship, he is the only one who was arrested, your lordship. That I get you, sir.
Yes, 34 days behind the bar.
Bar, your lordship. Probably further custodial interrogation is not required. He was not even named, your lordship. Page 9 is the FIR, your lordship. May I read, your lordship? Page 9. With due respect, I beg to inform you that on 4/7/2025, while covering news for the channel Prague News, the campus of Demo Panchayat, the complainant was suddenly attacked with a sharp weapon by approximately 25-30 unknown individuals. The attack was allegedly led by the accused Mintu Dole, PS Silabhata District, Dhamaji, Assam, and abetted by Sri Tilok Dole, president of TMPK, with the intention of murder of the complainant. The complainant somehow managed to escape from the place of occurrence. However, during incident, assailant snatched the complainant's mobile phone. Now, this is the FIR, your lordship. Now, your lordship will kindly note, your lordship, out of this, the Tilok Dole, the chairman, he was, your lordship, issued a 35-day notice, and your lordship, after recording his statement, police allowed to go him on bail. Although he is a named accused, your lordship.
Tilak Dole.
Tilak Dole, your lordship. Since your lordship, named accused is your lordship allowed to go, your lordship, after recording his statement under section 35(3). Therefore, your lordship, in respect of others, why police is insisting on arrest and not issuing 35(3), it is not understandable, your lordship. Since he is a leader, your lordship, we are not the leaders, your lordship. We are workers and we are not present even there, your lordship. In spite of that, your lordship, since he is a pressman from, your lordship, Prague News, your lordship, out of that apprehension, your lordship, police has arrested this boy, your lordship. Nothing more than that. And your lordship will kindly note from the FIR, your lordship, he has not alleged, your lordship, there cannot be a sudden attack without any reason, your lordship. He has not mentioned why he was attacked, your lordship, number one. Number two, your lordship, he has not said, your lordship, alleged that he was injured, your lordship. That was statement is also not there, your lordship. Your lordship will find, while granting interim bail, this honorable court was pleased to record that, your lordship. In item number, your lordship, 18, your lordship will find that. That's what. Assess.
He was on interim. How many petitioners are here?
The petitioners, 6
Four.
petitioners are on interim, your lordship.
No, in item number 18(4).
6 petitioners, sorry. Item number 18.
Number 18, 4 petitioners are here.
Yes,
Item
no,
number 18.
18, your lordship. Altogether, there are 6 petitioners. One was in the meanwhile arrested, your lordship.
Oh, acha.
5 remain. Now, your lordship will see, your lordship.
No, but interim was, again, I'm asking.
In my case, interim was given.
It's okay, but in interim was given to only Mr. Nirentai, Thomas Dole, Hiteswar Dole, and Migom Ye.
Lords.
These 4 were only.
4 were. Fifth
Four were given.
one arrested, your lordship.
5 here, it is.
5 was?
5th petitioner was arrested in the
Oh,
meantime.
acha.
That's why, your lordship, we have submitted before this the honorable court. And your lordship will kindly see para 8, Your Lordship, of the order of the Honorable Court.
No, again, I'm asking you, just I'm confused.
Lords,
In item number 18,
Lords,
I have seen there are 4 petitions.
4 petitioners.
And all 4 petitioners were granted
Bail,
bail.
Your Lord.
No,
that-
no,
No.
my lord, here, I am Nigam Yen,
Ah.
he was arrested, madam.
Subsequently arrested.
Subsequent, as per.
Lordship,
But
Only
he
1,
was,
2
but
and
he was also granted with.
Lordship.
only 1, 2 and 3 was granted interimly. Procedural free, madam. Yes, please.
But the order says that
Order, Your Lordship. Lordship.
all 4 were granted.
Also,
I don't know.
5 number of the arrest person.
In fact, Your Lordship, first 3, that is, we have
Now,
submitted
whatever you are for 1, 2 and 3 now,
3
at present.
Lords.
On Migem is on 17, that means.
Lordship, 17.
Achha, okay.
After arrest, Your Lordship, we came, Your Lordship.
Achha.
Your Lordship will find in para 8, Your Lordship, of the order. He further submits that though the case has also been registered under section 118 of BNS, however, there is no indication in the FIR as to whether the informant has sustained any injuries or not. Rather, it has been subsequently mentioned therein that he somehow escaped from the place of occurrence, Your Lordship. Your Lordship. That's why, Your Lordship. And in fact, what has happened there, Your Lordship, there is a, Your Lordship, election going on for the post of president at that particular Gaon Panchayat, Your Lordship. The petitioners, Your Lordship, these reporters were there, Your Lordship. He entered the, Your Lordship, the place where the election was going on. And for that, Your Lordship, there is some altercation between the presidential candidate and him. And subsequently, with some other people, they have their verbal altercation. Your Lordship. More than that, there is nothing more to it, Your Lordship. But he, Your Lordship, ultimately lodged this case, Your Lordship. And there is a human crisis since he belongs to, Your Lordship, a reputed news agency, Your Lordship, electronic media channel, Your Lordship. The editors have gone to the place, Your Lordship, pressurized the police, and thereafter, Your Lordship, everything. But ultimately, Your Lordship, named accused, Your Lordship, Tilak Dole, he was issued a 35(3) notice and allowed to go after, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, so far as this case is concerned, Your Lordship, probably, Your Lordship, my statement has already been recorded, Your Lordship. So far as the anticipatory bail is concerned, Your Lordship. Statements are recorded, we have cooperated, Your Lordship. Custodial interrogation probably is not required in this case, Your Lordship. And so far as the other petitioner is concerned, Your Lordship, he has already behind bar for 34 days, Your Lordship. Further custodial detention, Your Lordship, may not be required, Your Lordship. This is my humble submission.
In 28 also.
He
you
is
are
appearing, Your Lordship.
I am appearing 20.
You are appearing on 28.
20. Here in the instant case, my lord, I was released on interim bail, my lord, and I appeared before the police, my lord. My statement has been recorded, my lord. And my lord, yeah, my humble submission before your lordship is that my name has been mentioned along with that Tilak Dole, who is the president, I am the worker. Tilak Dole, 41 a notice has been issued at 35(3), my lord. And my lord, thereafter he was appeared before the my lord, police, my lord, he was allowed to go on bail, my lord. And secondly, my lord, if you lord say he has already submitted, there he has not mentioned anything about the injury, my lord. Nothing has been mentioned about the injury. Only to make my lord non-bailable, my lord, that section, my lord, particular section 10, my lord, 9 has been, my lord, mentioned in this, my lord, right there. That is my submission, my lord. Why custodial interrogation is my submission? My statement has been recorded, my lord. So, my lord, considering this aspect, my lord, I may be allowed to go on bail. Subject to what he has said, my lord, I shall give the reply.
Yes, sure.
I'd like to. We have visited the case, my lord. From that case, we will my lord. And here is a my lord, male person, my lord, person, my lord. দিনৰ পৰাই আঢ়ৈটা বজাৰ পৰা আহি পাওঁ আৰু দেখা পাওঁ যে ধুমু পঞ্চায়তৰ সভাপতি নিৰ্বাচনৰ কথা লৈ দুই ফৈদৰ মাজত মতৰ অমিল হৈ আছে। এনেতে মই বাতৰি সংগ্ৰহ কৰিবলৈ মোৰ মোবাইল ভিডিঅ' কৰি থাকোঁতে তিলক দলে মোক তই ইয়াত কি কিয় ইয়াত আহিছে ইয়াত কিয় ভিডিঅ' কৰি আছ? ইয়াক ধৰ মাৰ বুলি কোৱাৰ লগে লগে তেওঁলোকৰ হাতত লাঠি জোং দা হাতত লৈ অহা মানুহ মাজেৰে প্ৰথমতে মিন্টু দলে মোক পিছফালে কাণৰ কাষত বাঁহৰ লাঠি দি মাৰে আৰু পিছত সি কেনেবাকে মোৰ হাতৰ মূৰত পিঠিত মাৰপিট কৰিবলৈ ধৰে। প্ৰায় 15-20 জনীয়া দল এটাই মোক খেদি খেদি মাৰপিট কৰে। পিছত চিঞৰ বাখৰ হোৱাত মোক বচাব আহে। That is allegation, my lord. And from the medical report, my lord, we have one input. Here medical simple stick. Simple and weapon use stick. And 3 injuries are there. Multiple bruises on upper left side of back. Abrasion nose. And swelling behind the left ear. This is injury report, my lord. And from the witnesses, my lord, their involvement are there. They have assaulted, my lord. Some eyewitnesses here. And co-accused are also there. And regarding, my lord, allegation also that here some of the, my lord, accused person carried his mobile phone and thrown away. Here from the witnesses, it is revealed that it is the Hittisor Dole. Hittisor Dole who has taken the mobile phone and thrown the mobile phone back. From the witness.
Hittisor is not there.
And from the witnesses, my lord, it is revealed, my lord, all of them are involved in this matter.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, may I submit, my lord? First is thing, assuming but not admitting the injury is simple in nature, my lord. It is not, my lord, 108 will be attracted in the instant case, my lord. Secondly, the allegation Tilak Dulles and my is similar, my lord. He is already 35 feet notice has been issued. He was not arrested, my lord. He is going on. And my statement also recorded. Considering this aspect, my lord, I will be allowed to go. Mintu appear করছে তো করছে 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 এটা appear করছে
Interim আছে নেকি?
interim আছে
Unless his statement is not available, even his bail order copy is also not available. Mintu Dole.
For Mintu Dole.
Fine.
statement has been recorded, my lord, as per my expectation.
But others are statements are here, my lord.
Your he not available.
Fine.
You have not annexed the order also.
Interim আছে
He was on interim since 1/8.
1/8.
18 three petitioners are your
My lord, here is up to 2/8, my lord. 2/8.
Oh.
Others, my lord, Thomas,
ঠিক আছে
Those are
Niren Thomas, their statement are there. This one.
one eight just update to 28, my lord.
My lord. Up to 2/8, my lord.
Then we have called for the updated one for this Mintu Dole.
My lord.
Some had 28 to be possible. Had Mr. NNB Chowdhury, Dilanet, counsel for the petition. Also had Mr. B. Sharma, Dilanet, petition. If it technically go to that answer, that's for you. That's the answer. NNB Chowdhury, Dilan, and also had Mr. B. Sharma, Dilanet, edition PP, everyone. Next, but it is submitted by Mr. Chowdhury that the present accused petition appeared before the investigating officer after obtaining the order of interim period fail on 1/0. But it is submitted by Mr. Sharma that his statement is not available in the case diary. And apart from that, the order of interim period bail is also not available in the case diary. So Mr. Sharma accordingly submitted that updated case diary may be called for in connection with the present petition. In view of this, let the updated case diary be called. And the petitioner is directed to appear before the IO if his statement is not recorded earlier. And he list the matter accordingly on 10/9/2025. Interim be extended till next date of list. we are extending your interim, we call it.
Yes, sir.
Now come to 70, item number 7. Heard Mr. S. Potter, the learned counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. P. Sharma, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of the state respondent. This is an application of section so and so in connection with so and so. It is submitted by Mr. Potter that the present accused petitioner is innocent, and his name is also not reflected in the FIR. However, he got arrested in connection with this case, and since last 34 days, he is in custody. So considering his length of detention, he may be released on bail. However, he is ready and willing to extend his cooperation in the further investigation of this case if he is provided with the privilege. Next part. Mr. Sharma, the learned additional PP, submitted in this regard that as per the that it is a fact that there was quarrel between two groups after for the election purpose when the victim went there to for news reporting, and in that situation, some of the accused person had assaulted the victim. However, he submitted that the medical report of the victim is stated to be simple in nature. Next, but considering this submission made by counsel for both sides, materials available in the case diary vis-a-vis the medical report of the injured, I find that further custodial interrogation may not be necessary for the interest of the investigation. In view of this, I find it a fit case to extend the privilege of bail to the present petitioner to the satisfaction. This is case from Demaji.
Dhemaji Road, CGM Dhemaji
To
Road.
the satisfaction of CGM Demaji. So and so forth. Our K2 connection with case 2 to AK hobo 18 to same out of same FIR. আৰু বাকি আমাৰ হেৰিৰ সাবমিশনত একে হ'ব মানে আপোনাৰ শৰ্মাৰ সাবমিশন একে হ'ব একেটাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতেও বৰঠাকুৰৰ সাবমিশন দিয়ক Mr. Bhattakur, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submitted in this regard that these three petitioners are no way connected in the alleged offense. And contain the alleged offense. Further, he submitted that one Tilok Dole, whose name is reflected in the FIR, was served with a 35-3 notice, and in pursuant to the death notice, he appeared, and after his interrogation, he was released from the police station. These petitioners are no way connected in the LS pockets, and considering this aspect of the case, present petitioners may be released on bail. Present petitioners may be granted with the privilege of pre-arrest bail. However, all the petitioners appeared before the IO after obtaining the order of interim pre-arrest bail, and cooperated in the investigation. Next para, Mr. Sharma's submission more or less again. Alcock pre-arrest bail to dia sile 28/7/2025 to be made absolute with same terms.
Only one remains.
Only one remain.
Item number
28.
28, man.
Fix of 10th.
Diplo.
10. Yes, 22.
Well, kindly pass over the matter for time.
No, I'm not sitting in the second half. If you want, if you have any problem, it will be listed any other day. You have received the case diary. It will be listed on any other day. Second half, I have some personal work in it. For one matter,
Interim order. On 20 or other date, September in the first.
Okay, then F2.
Publish. Assist videos.
May I please? My lord, in this case, my lord,
30
petitioner.
we have received here, case diary. Pardon? It was received on day after yes.
Here, my lord, statement may not be there, my lord. Initially, my lord, after granting interim bail, petitioners, my lord, appeared before the police, but police was very much busy, my lord. But subsequently, my lord, he was called, my lord, according to my instruction, my lord, on 19/8, my lord. Police Somoto called him, then he went there, my lord.
When it is
19/8.
only 19/8 minutes is here.
Or your yes, case
CQ was
diary.
18/8. We have received
Pardon?
18/8 minutes. We have received. It was listed on day after yesterday, my lord. When they printed.
Yeah, before yesterday.
Today, my lord. We have received the case diary only on 18/8, my lord. But till that, he was not appeared before the IO, my lord. He was directed to appear within 7 days from the date of bail, my lord, receipt of bail order, my lord. But he has not appeared, my lord. And 18/8, up to 18/8, he has not appeared as per the, my lord, the CD.
So you have not appeared.
My lord, he appeared, my lord, obviously, also granted bail, he appeared. Police was busy, my lord,
That
repeatedly
is not
went,
the cause, my lord. Here,
repeatedly went there, my lord, but police did not, my lord, find any time, my lord. Subsequently, police saw
Then
Somoto.
there is no note from the IO that he could not, his interim was, interim order of interim is there.
Even, my lord,
no.
The order of interim is also not there.
my lord, even he, my lord, approached me petitioner to file any, my lord, suitable, my lord, petition before this court, my lord, because if in spite of his repeated approach before the police, my lord, he was not, my lord.
No, why don't you furnish the copy of order there?
My lord, there, my lord, he
not
repeatedly
here.
went there, my lord.
Your copy of order is not available here.
My lord,
Your copy of order is not available.
Not found, my lord. Here, not found.
That is the issue.
It is, my lord, in this case also, my lord, initially also, my lord, I have stated in this case, my lord, police, my lord, falsely implicated them, my lord.
No, my lord.
Yes,
Falsely.
Yeah, but, my lord,
Why don't you
but
appear?
lordship, kindly, my lord, assume, my lord, why he will approach, my lord, if bail order is not submitted there, my lord. Police was not cooperating, and he is now alleging, my lord, petitioner is not, my lord, cooperating, my lord.
No, it is not his allegation.
My lord,
It is available, it is not there in the case that.
Yes, my lord.
Then
But, my lord, my instruction is that, my lord, if from the beginning, my lord, petitioner is in contact with me, my lord, police is not cooperating, my lord, with him, my lord.
no, these are all false.
Otherwise, my lord, he has approached before your lordship, and my lord, suitable protection is also found, my lord. Why he should not, my lord, go there? He is again appearing before your lordship. Definitely, this query will first preliminary question will come, my lord, whether he has appeared, my lord, his record statement is recorded or not, my lord. But it is, my lord, kindly, my lord, I may be allowed to, my lord, submit, my lord, affidavit in this regard, my lord.
My lord, here in the bail opposition, my lord, sir, during investigation of the case, several sincere attempts were made to apprehend them, but they have managed to hide somewhere to evade police arrest, my lord. It is reported on 18/8, my lord.
And as per my instruction, my lord, he 19/8, my lord, police, my lord, called Somoto, my lord, there.
How police called him without going about knowledge?
Earlier, my lord, the police said that, my lord, earlier time was not there, you come now. Then they went, my lord. They called me, my lord. They are, my lord, my client, my lord, obviously they are in contact with me, my lord.
These are all false.
My lord.
These are all false information.
My lord.
He has not appeared yet.
My lord.
My lord, if, my lord, lordship, kindly, my lord, assume, my lord. Why, my lord, he will
appear, my lord, and take bail, my lord, if he does not appear, my lord.
That is up
It
to
is
you. We don't
impossible,
know-
my lord.
We don't know why you have done.
My lord.
It is impossible, my lord. My lord, obviously, my lord, first question will come whether he appeared and my lord, whether his statement is recorded or not, my lord. And in this case, my lord, police, my lord, is against them, my lord, for their personal interest, my lord.
No,
This
no,
allegation is also there in this petition, my lord. Because, my lord, they are, my lord, lawful, my lord, dealer of the, my lord, since long time, my lord, they are lawful dealer of the, my lord, this is, my lord, fertilizer, my lord.
Particularly,
And-
but they have sold it illegally. Which
My
is
lord, as
subsidized,
per
my
it
lord.
is record is there, my lord.
Then what to do, sir?
My lord. Subsidized fertilizer, my lord, they
Then,
have sent to Mizoram.
for the updated one, if there is record. But till now,
Subsequently-
he is not appearing
My lord,
as
not
per the note
no,
of
no,
the
no,
eye.
my lord, not appear.
Yes, my lord.
But
He
subsequently,
was
why?
given the, my lord, sufficient time, my lord. 7 days time given, my lord. It was on interim on.
My instruction is that subsequently police called him and went there, my lord. He called me, my lord. Now police is calling. After 7 days, can I go? If police is calling, you go there. I instructed them, my lord.
Why don't you give the proper instructions to your client?
My lord,
Why you misguide your client? Why
my
you
lord,
misguide the court?
my
Don't
lord,
do
when
this
police,
thing.
my lord, with all respect, my lord,
Do all this.
when my lord, police
But he
was
is
not,
second
my lord,
caster.
when police was not
Go by
cooperating,
straight
he
cut,
informed
you
me, my
go.
lord.
You will depose these submit before the court genuinely guide your.
My lord, at least me, my lord, at
genuinely.
least for my case, my
Otherwise-
lord, if does not he comply interim order, my lord, at least I will not appear in this case any further, my lord. Because it is my,
You
my
should.
lord, it is our, my lord, preliminary duty to comply with the first order passed by your lordship. Then we have to appear before this honorable court, my lord. Otherwise, we cannot, my lord.
So you have not complied with.
He said, me, my lord,
Not
police.
he said, the CD says.
CD.
It
My
is
lord,
not his
we are
person.
my lord,
As per the CD.
with all
no,
with all respect, my lord, this case is, my lord, in merit, our, my lord, contention is something different, my lord. Because here, my lord, his case is, my lord, that, my lord, police, my lord, for their interest, my lord,
No, that is
pursuing
not
their.
the argument, my lord. That are not the point of argument, my lord. Here, my submission.
Counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional BP appearing on the it is submitted by CD. CD is you received the CD on 18/8.
18, my.
It is submitted by Mr. Sharma that CD was received on 18/8/2025. But till date, there is no statement available. Till date, the statement of the petitioner is not available in the case diary. Rather, the IO had gave a note where stating that the petitioners are avoiding the police arrest and they have not cooperated in investigation. Further, it is submitted by Mr. Sharma that the order of interim creators bail dated 18/7/2025 is also not available in the case diary. In that context, Mr. Borbuya, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submitted that as per his instructions, the petitioner visited to the police station on several occasions, but the police did not record their statement as the police officer was remained busy in other works. However, on 19/8/2025, police called them to the police station and thereafter their statements were also recorded as per his instructions. In view of this, later updated case diary be called for, and police is to give is also hereby asked to give a detailed report as to whether the petitioners are cooperating in the investigation and as to whether they earlier visited to the police station on several occasions to record their statement. And is the matter accordingly on?
My lord, he might be allowed to appear before I within 3 days, my lord. Several times were
According
given, my lord.
further, the petitioner is allowed to is directed to appear before the IO within 3 days from the date of order. A copy of order may also be sent to the investigating officer for his necessary information. List the matter accordingly on.
Lordship, Lordship, from tomorrow, my lord, 3 days holiday, my lord.
No, it is
To
order already
police
there, my lord. Interim
Oh.
order is already
Oh.
there, my
Police
lord.
station, it's
Oh,
Oh, my lord, police station.
24-hour service.
Oh, my
We are also on 24 hours.
My lord.
My lord, 22nd, man.
20,
22nd September.
2nd of September. No, don't give such long.
Fine.
Make a short. a bit
Yeah,
short.
here within 3 days.
11,
11th, fine.
11.
11th, fine.
Well, earlier interim order may be continued.
Pardon?
Earlier interim order may be continued.
Yes, interim be continued.
Gift of it.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
May I please your lordship? My lord, interim was granted. I have appeared, my lord. Allegation was the battle nut from Silchar was taken by this vehicle, by vehicle truck, my lord, small truck, to drop it to Borpeta. I am the owner of the vehicle, was granted interim. I appeared, my lord. Even the vehicle is also granted Jimma also, my lord. So CD was called for in this regard, my lord.
You are the owner of the truck.
Owner, I am from Karimganj, my lord. I am from Karimganj and load taken from Silchar, my lord. And it is seized in Kachar district, my lord, while proceeding towards Borpeta, my lord.
No, whatever, you are the owner of the
Owner of the vehicle. And granted, given the vehicle in Jimma also, man. In the meantime, my lord.
truck is given Jimma.
Jimma, to me, my lord. By the court below. I appeared on 20.
সেটা বন্ধ করেছিল চলি আছে কি বন্ধ আছে এটা খোলা আছে হেডফোন দিলে আমরা দিয়ে লাগি
And as per interim order, my lord, I also appeared before the IO on 23/6 and on 24/6. Appeared before the IO, my lord.
where you appear 20
23/6, my lord, and on 24/6. Complied with. And nothing in involvement, only my owner, my lord.
As per CD lordship, he is the owner, and 220 quintals Erekana chewers are carrying, and there was no valid documents. There was no any valid documents, GST and all, nothing, no documents were. And apart from that lordship, those are not locally. One expert report has come. Those are not local Erekanas. These are suspected to be Burmese Erekanas. And thereafter, lordship, one of the driver has stated, lordship, as per the statement of the driver, lordship, the owner has directed him to load it from that place, lordship. That is why they have loaded it, lordship. There is no any second person. And his statement, lordship, the person, accused person statement, lordship, the owner statement, as per his statement, one person, Kandir Hussain Ahmed, has asked him for the vehicle on rent to carry the Erekanax. He has given. He has allowed him to rent it, lordship. But he could not give he could not give any proper address, phone number, nothing, lordship.
no who gave the I mean
The owner, this person
owner.
has allowed him give the vehicle on rent to that Kadir Hussain, but lordship, he did not keep any phone number, any information regarding where from this person. Where is it possible when a truck is being loaded from one person, only on the request of one person, he is not taking his phone number at least. At least he has taken the money from him. But how it is possible, lordship? So simply is mentioning one person's name, that one person, say XYZ, has come to me and he asked me to load that vehicle, and that is why he has taken the vehicle on rent, and that is why I have given him my vehicle on rent. So these materials are not mine. Whatever the illegal act has been done by that person, but I don't know who is he. Is it that is happening in this case? So lordship, his involvement is there, and he is not cooperating. That means, lordship, when he is not providing him his address, he did not provide his phone number, nothing has been providing, then he is not cooperating. How, if he could give any phone number, if he could give any address regarding that person, then he could, we can say that yes, he after interim protection, he is cooperating. But he is not cooperating. In that case, Lordship, police definitely needed custody, Lordship.
My lord,
At least Lordship, he is not
regarding
enter-
regarding
because
Araka
Lordship, it is a Burmese supari.
my lord,
and
I do not know exactly the supari, but one thing I can explain, my lord. In Barak Valley, my lord, there are a kind of nuts are prepared by cooking raw, my lord, unripe, very immature, my lord, green color betel nuts to and brings the colors from it for textile purpose. After extracting color, they send this nuts, my lord. It's very dry and very looks not of for local, my lord. And that part I do not know till I am saying your lordship, my lord. What happened, my lord? The driver is in parking place in Silchar, my lord. I am in Karimganj. There, the driver telephoned me. Such and such, I am going with a vehicle whose on so name. So driver is to say who has talked with him. Am I, my lord, my lord, the person, right person? Yet I have cooperated all possible ways. 2 days I have gone before your after your lord's order. And admittedly, I have my lord, appeared before the my lord, IO, my lord. And given even the court also granted me the Jimma of the vehicle also, my lord. On many occasions, I went to the police. Police say, my lord recorded my statement.
Vehicle of the
Whenever he's asking, I am saying all these things, my lord. What is the use of my lord, my lord taking me to custody? My driver is already in custody, my lord. He can say that better who has contacted with him from Silchar, my lord. Normally, my lord, owner remains in his home or some other purposes, my lord. Driver runs the vehicle. And over telephone, he just asks, I am going there, taking the load, so and so, so and so. I do not know about whether Araka is Burmese or not, I do not know. But till I am saying that there is some cases I have found that local, raw, unripe, cooked, extracted, some nuts are sent. These are sometimes police suspects to be so and so. And I am cooperating, your lordship, my lord, with all my possibility, my lord. I am doing my best, my lord. Nothing can be done more than that.
This is the statement of the petitioner because he is representing the petition. Then there is a contradiction of statement, Lordship, what he has given before the IO. Because yes, as per his statement, he has stated, Lordship, that one person named Kadir Hussain Ahmed has come to him and taken that vehicle on rent. And now it is a statement has come that driver has on telephone, driver has asked him to load it, and he has allowed him to load it. So this is the contradiction.
My
So
lord,
something is there, Lordship.
my lord, driver finalizes, my lord. He knows the oil cost, the consumption, the details, you know that.
And driver has stated,
Finalizes.
even
Always
driver has
finalizes.
also said in his statement, he has stated, Lordship, that his owner has asked him to load the that articles, materials, and that has also been corroborated by the statement of the accused person. So there's something is there, Lordship, something is
My lord,
missing.
driver always used to finalize, my lord, because he knows the length of the road, cost, and all these things, my lord. This is finalized by always by driver, my lord. Yes, takes consent of the owner sometimes, my lord. And my lord, I'm appearing, time and I appeared, my lord. And what is the use of my lord taking me to custody, my lord? Perhaps custodial interest not
Because
required.
those are illegal articles who are being transported, who has been how it where from it has been where from it has been collected, that has to be come into look into, because police cannot leave the investigation in the middle of the investigation, or see it has to be finalized, and without his without his cooperation, without his person knowing anything, his statements, that cannot be completed, Lordship, because he has stated one person name. However, police will find him. Otherwise, police has to stop this investigation at this stage because he has stated some other person's name and he is not found. So he says to be FIR. So at this stage, it is not.
My lord, driver is the best person, my lord. He can say where from he has, my lord, loaded it, who have come, who has told with him. He can say the details, my lord. Normally, owner do not go there.
Straight. Yes, talk about the knowledge petition people at their citizenship disabilities that this petition is state for it where it alleged superior was where it the alleged superior was loaded. However, he being the owner, he had no other connection with the person who loaded the betel nut, and through driver only he came to that person came wrote person who loaded the vehicle with safe file. Mr. Lawford further submitted that he or he appeared before the IO and his statement is also recorded. In the meantime, he also got the Jimma of his truck from the learned court bidder. However, he is still ready and willing to hope and for the case is granted privilege to arrest. Mr. Lawford, the learned submitted in this regard that the present accused petitioner submitted that the petitioner appeared before the IO and his statement is checked. But he has not cooperated the IO and he did not disclose the address of the telephone number, etc. of the person who loaded the vehicle with suspected permissive money. He further submitted the petitioner had intentionally avoided to disclose the name and the telephone and other particulars, telephone number and other particulars, the person who stated who had loaded the vehicle with the suspected permissive. Mr. Lawford also submitted that as part of the statement made by the driver of the vehicle, he loaded the Supari with the consent of the owner of the vehicle, and apart from that, he does not he does not know anything about the person. Mr. Alupta did an submitted in that it is the driver who asked about who informed about the person who was supposed who wanted to load the vehicle with the supari, but he is not aware as to whether the supari is consumable, whether the supari is whether the supari is human consumable or it is a permissible. Expert hearing the submission made by the counsel both sides and find that petitioner is cooperating in the investigation, but as per the submission of Mr. Lawford, he is not disclosed the name and address and telephone number, etc. of the person who loaded the. In view of this, the present petitioner is hereby asked to appear before the IO within 7 days from the date of order and to disclose the particulars of person who loaded the vehicle who loaded the vehicle with permission. However, considering the conduct of the accused and other aspects of the case, is interim bail granted to the petitioner dated 18/6/2025 is hereby made absolute with same terms and conditions, and above all, he is directed to appear before the IO within 7 days as stated, and to cooperate for his further cooperation in it.
7 days, my lord.
The petition stands rejected, however, with a direction to the learned special judge to examine the vital witnesses, mainly 5 and 6 witnesses, which have already pointed out by Mr. Hassan, within 2 or 3 months thereafter.
Your lordship has mentioned the names, my.
Within 2 or 3 months.
No, the mentioned the
They-
names of the,
Yes, already mentioned. All the particular witnesses which have already been raised by the some of from the department, and one landlord or landlady, and another one is the informant. That is already been mentioned. Specifically mentioned in my order.
hello. Suffolk.